Okay. Sit down, all of you. So you all stay back and do. Path also not done. Why? Forgot. Yours is nowadays is common is coming. So you go exam. So 19 you will do how many sums? 200 sums. Acha, very good. 200 sums. See, all right. 200 sums. Okay. On which day? 19. Okay. Sit down. Okay, na? Ah, so you also go home. Okay, now. What is your doubt? Polynomial, what is the doubt? Doubt solvings are coming in this week. Okay, you come and clarify the doubts. Okay. Are these doubt solving? Sundays are doubt solving. It is not put in a group. Doubt solving sessions. Is it put in the group? Okay, if you don't know what is it means, you ask in this one. Okay, clarify. Okay. Huh? Online. So then you can ask. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Trignometry. What did you learn? Okay, then what is like 45? Okay. You also learn now? Yes, she has only one of the Let's go now, still there. They don't so you're happy. What's the name for it? Nothing, so you're making some chocolate, you're making chocolate. Okay, you learned everything now. Let's stand theta. What is tan theta? Opposite again, what is tan theta? 3, 4 things are there. Again. Oh, where one more? 1 upon cot theta. What is tan 30? Sit down. AC is not on over there. You're the one all the time, feel fault. If you are wearing the jacket, I'll throw you out. If you are wearing the jacket, I'll remove the t-shirt. Yeah. Who is it? How is Gunpreet?
Sir, after hospital medicine.
Okay. Only Gunpreet is after the Susmit. Where is Susmit? When to degree?
Next, Maharashtra movies. So he's watching
movie. Yeah, okay. Take out exercise. Which exercise we are doing? 8.2. How many sums we are done? 4 questions are remaining. Myra, today onwards you will ask every day after end of the lecture, you come and ask me what the homework. Understood? Amir, you did any practice?
Yes, sir.
What practice you did?
Sir, I completed my 8.2 already.
8.2. That only. Your exams are starting now.
My exams are starting from 5th June.
5th July.
So July, sorry, 5th of July.
Revise well. Okay, till take out the books. Taken. Exercise 8.2. How many questions? Which question we are? 13 is done now. 14 we have to start. 42.
17.
14 to 17. Okay, 14 question. Read. I don't read.
Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 2.
Sin theta plus cos theta.
Cosec theta
Read properly. Cosec theta is equal to 2.
You get sin theta the whole raised to m. Plus cosec theta the whole raised to m is equal to 3.
Okay, so sin theta. What happened?
Are you saying very good?
So you are giving the book. Look here. This is the given condition. Sin theta plus cosec theta is equal to 2. So you have to get the value of one of them, either sin theta or cosec theta. Then only you can proceed now. So because you will be squaring it or it will not simplify. So we will get, if it is had it been only square, sin square theta plus cosec square theta means whole square. If you do means you could have still done. Now what you do means this cosec theta can be written as cosec theta can be written as 1 upon sin theta is equal to 2. So what we get LCM take what we get sin square theta plus 1 upon sin theta is equal to what we get 2. Cross multiply sin square theta plus 1 is equal to 2 sin theta. If I bring these two over here, what will you get? Sin square theta plus 1 minus 2 sin theta is equal to 0. Are you followed this way? What else?
2 is multiplied with sin.
So 2 multiplied by sin theta is 2 into sin theta, no?
But how it is transposed?
Transpose means if it is coming as x square plus 5 is equal to 7x. What did you do?
X plus 5 minus 7.
So that will be same thing, no?
Again, multiplied with 5.
Then after that he shifted here, no? So what is the problem? So then, okay, tell me after that what did you do?
Cross multiply.
Cross multiplication, what will you get?
X plus 5 minus 7.
X plus 5 is equal to 7x will you get? Okay, then 7x, if can you shift this 7x to here? X plus 5 minus 7x equal to? So same thing only we did now. Okay, after cross multiplication, we have taken entire thing over here now. Okay, now check, this is of the form. This is of the form, let's see who will
A
play.
minus B.
A minus
A minus B.
A plus B minus
A minus B whole square.
this is 1 square, this is A square, so A square plus B square minus 3AB. So sin theta minus 1 the whole square is equal to 0 you got. So sin theta minus 1 whole square equal to 0 means sin theta minus 1 will be equal to 0, no? Square root is taken. Therefore, what is the value of sin theta? You will get 1. Sin theta is equal to 1. If sin theta is equal to 1, what is the value of cosec theta? 1. Why? 1 upon sin theta, which is equal to 1. So you got this word. So you got the value of sin theta 1, cosec theta 1. What value you have to find out? Value, ma'am. Find the value of. Find the value of sin raised to m. है ना? Theta. Cosec theta. Cosec raised to m. Theta. Means 1 raised to m plus 1 raised to m. What is 1 raised to m plus 1 raised to m? 2 raised to m. Very good. 2 raised to m. 1 raised to m is how much? 1 no. 1 to any power is how much? 1 or you know? So 1 raised to, can you write is equal to 2 raised to m? Can you write is 2 raised to m? You cannot. Yes. Yes. No, these are these.
You cannot write 2 raised to m.
So
Only
you
two.
1 cube plus 1 cube is equal to 2 cube, will right?
No.
So what is 1 cube plus 1 cube?
2.
1 plus 1. Where is the attendance sheet? Why you kept? Are you okay? Let it pass it now. So 1 raised to m plus 1 raised to m is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Understood or not, P? All of you followed. Now look here. This sign, all of you, before writing, listen. This can come in the MCQs also. This is sin theta and cosec theta. What is the relation? Reciprocal, no.
1 upon.
If it is there, reciprocal means always both will be equal to 1. Same way you can get cos theta plus sec theta is equal to 2. Its meaning will be cos theta will be equal to 1, sec theta also is equal to 1. If it is written as tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2, then what you can write? Tan theta is equal to 1 and cot theta is equal to 1. For reciprocals only. So if it is given sin theta plus cos theta equal to 2, this you cannot use it, okay? This equal to 1, this equal to 1. For reciprocals you can use it, okay? Understood or not? They say means this question can come for any cos theta plus sec theta or tan theta plus cot theta. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Directly, okay, do it. Okay, Myra. Tiwari. Hello. Happy that you are celebrating Eid, then when you leave.
The ID card.
ID card. So then you can come over here now. He went back home. Are you okay? I want to take care cycling now. Isn't it? True, sir. Then, so what? So he come now, he tells I forgot. It's not school. Homework done. What homework done? If you need any help, 20 questions you did, which chapter done? What are you doing? Very good. Done now? Sure now? Ira. Okay. Trisha, the day you were sleeping in the class, no? You were tired and sitting, no? So I had extra class and all here, I still remember. One girl was eating chocolate at home. Don't mind it. You are there, Friday. But you also not listen. Where is the other girl? One girl online? No.
He has not joined.
Not joined. Complete all of you. Wait. Who made the noise? Those who completed, start the other one. Start fast. Completed. Next question, read. Read. Sin theta is equal to cos theta.
Solve the equation for x and y. X cos square theta plus y equals to 5.
X cos square theta plus y.
Cot
X cot square theta plus y is equal to
5.
y only.
5.
This one no? And
X sin theta.
x sin theta.
Sin square theta.
Sin theta sin square theta.
Sin square theta. Minus y cos square theta.
Y cos square theta is equal to
Minus 1 upon
minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 upon
2.
Who is that between talking? So look here. Here basically three conditions are given. Three unknown values are there. Which are the three unknown things? Theta we don't know, x we don't know, y we don't know. That is why three conditions are given. You have to find out the value of x and y. To get the value of x and y, you have to remove theta from here. Okay now? Listen. So first is sin theta is equal to cos theta. So you have to get, first is theta. Do you know how to get theta? You can cross multiply. If I bring the sin cos theta down, what will you get? Sin theta by cos theta equal to how much you will get? Are they right side tell?
Cos
1, 0. Look here, all of you listen. If I write x equal to y, if I write x minus y, it is equal to 0. If I write x upon y, is equal to 1. Be careful these all things, okay? These are simple, silly things only, but you be very careful. So what is sin theta by cos theta? What is sin theta by tan theta? Which is equal to 1. 1 stand for how much? Tan 45. Therefore, tan theta is equal to tan 45. Theta is equal to how much? 45 degree. So value of theta you got 45 degree now. So in substitute in 1. So therefore, what will you get? X cot square 45 plus y equal to 5. What is cot 45? Cot 45 1. Therefore 1 by 1 by what was equal to x into 1 square plus y is equal to 5. Therefore x plus y equal to 5, equation 1. Then substitute over here x, who that speaking? Minus y cos square 45 is equal to minus 1 by 2. What is sin 45? 1 by root 2. So x into 1 by root 2 the whole square minus y into how many? 1 by root 2 the whole square. It is equal to minus 1 by What is 1 by root 2 whole square? 1 by 2. So therefore x by 2 minus y by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. You can multiply through what by 2 now? X minus y is equal to minus 2. Solve 1 and 2, you will get the answer. I hope all of you are following now. Yes or no?
Yes.
Important types of questions these are. Okay. Not complicated, but you should know the way how to do. I hope all are following. We are doing the easy part of the trigonometry. So far, we are not reached the difficult part of the trigonometry. We are going to today, we are going to start. And so, Tiwari, not copying, only solve 1 and 2 equation 1 and 2 and get the value of x and y. Look, you will not studying anything, your time pass will be doing all the time. No, sir. After the exam, I'll call both. Your father is okay now? Okay.
Sir.
Huh? Rest. So, and you? Not studying anything. Study numbers. Today,
Yes.
Tasmit, you did quadratic equation, huh? Pakka. Brahman. Did you do anything?
Yes. Sir.
What?
Study.
What study you did in maths? First chapter. How many years first chapter? Only first chapter. Other chapters you cannot do. I just go to the difficult chapters and do. You will be always first chapter.
Next one.
Okay. What the value of x and y?
Yes.
Find this to find you need 2 days, no? Array one line. You already got it.
Correct. I was
Very good.
complex elimination.
Oh, good. You?
Yes.
Good. Array directly write and add, x plus y is equal to 5 x minus y. Myra, what is the value of x and y you got? Not done. Why this next time? X is equal to x equal to 4. X equal to 2. Substitute x plus y equal to 5. 2 plus y. Y is equal to 3. So solution is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Okay. So this is the question number 16 now or 15. 15. One more is there or two more? Two more are there. Okay. Aminish, read the next question.
Evaluate tan 15 degree.
Tan 15 degree. This one we are done now. Using the identity now. Tan A minus B. What is the identity given? From what?
Tan A minus B multiplied by 1 plus tan A to tan B is equal to tan A minus tan B.
Tan A minus tan B. Are you followed? Other than Armeya, who can tell the answer? How to get this one? We have done this one in detail last class. I made some of you to do the same thing in the class. Who can raise the hand? Evaluate and we will come and sit that time. Yes, sir. Our work is copy and yes, sir. Yes, sir. Brain is not using. We have done this similar one in the class. But anyone? Check which what A minus B is equal to 615 when it is coming. You put some value. 45 and 30. So if you have 45 and 30 or 60 and 45, you have to get 15 now.
Yes.
So how do you get 15? Either 45. We have standard angle. Which are standard angles? Same thing at that time I made it 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Which difference is coming 15? Two cases can come. So we take that A is equal to 60. B is equal to 45. Substitute. So what do you get? Tan 60 minus 45 is equal to, sorry, not is equal to, into 1 plus tan 60 into tan 45 is equal to tan 60 minus tan 45. Put all the values and simplify, you will get the answer. This is tan 60 minus 45 is tan 15 into 1 plus tan 60's value is root 3. Tan 45 value is 1. Root 3 minus 1. Simplify tan 15 into 1 plus root 3 is equal to root 3 minus 1. Or tan 15 is equal to cross multiply. Root 3 minus 1 upon. I write 1 plus root 3 as root 3 plus 1. Cross multiplication is done. So you got the value of tan 15. Now rationalize. Do you know how to rationalize? Do you know how to rationalize? How do you rationalize? Huh? Into? So root 3 minus 1 the whole square upon. Armay is done now this one.
Yes, sir.
So tan 15 is equal to a minus b whole square apply a square, that is 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 2 root 3. At least I thought somebody will tell, sir, I will tell. Nobody. One Raju is there. Where is the Raju? Wait, I'm coming. Very complicated, no? Then why did you tell the answer? Forgot. Brain doesn't know, no? Now another power is there. Now powerless mind. And I was in Satara. What did you bring from Satara? Huh?
Mangoes.
Or where is the mango for me? Huh? What? Do you know why? You'll keep it out there and you to yourself, no? You also from Satara, no? Sangli. Sangli, Satara. Who is from Kolhapur? No, Kolhapur. Sangli, Satara, Kolhapur. Tiwari. Arey, what is it here? See, where it is starting and why it is going here. Now you will write over here. Learn write the straight. Keep the book little tilted whichever the way to write. Okay. Understood? Learn how to write. Okay. So when you know by seeing, let's keep one little focus on one line of paper. Little more careful. Complete all of you. 16 one I'll do. Risha, are you following? No reply is come from you. Where did you learn? When? Ask you. I did not hear. Next question. Read. One of you read na. Not also I can read. Srinidhi read.
Determine value of x such that
X.
2 cos x square 30
2 cos x square 30.
plus x sin square 60
Cos x square x sin square
60
plus no.
plus x sin square 60 minus 3 by 2 tan square 30
That's all.
is equal to 10.
Is equal to 10. Put the value and simplify and put the value of simplify. All of you put the values and simplify. Let's see who will get the answer. 2 cos x square 30. Value substitute simplify. I'll give you 30 seconds is enough. One is copy. Huh? Put the values now. That's been too fast. Value still not good. Sure. Mistakes are there and squares are there, no, root will not come. 2 into cosec 30 is 2. whole square plus x into root 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 4 into 1 by root 3 whole square is equal to 10. Where root 3 root will come? 8 plus 3 by 4x minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 3 equal to 10. So you will get as 3x by 4 is equal to 10 minus 8 plus 1 by 4.
3.
That is 2 plus 1 by 4. 9, 8 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 3x by 4. What is the value of x you got?
3.
3. CBSE. Shubhangi, what happened? Okay, you did not cancel. 3 is the answer now. X equal to 3. Completed. X is equal to is x or y? So this time decision online you put. Okay. Arun, did you get? No. Why are you still writing? Addition, subtraction, forgot. Why is much time to? 40. 10 minus 8 you cannot do. I think 10 minus 8 simplify na. What is it mean? As it is copying only, thinking and doing.
Actually, minus 3 by 12, instead of cancelling.
Minus 3 by 12. 3 by 12 how to be?
In that second.
Achha, then again you then LC will be big answer. Okay, you cross multiply. You did after that cross multiplication. Okay. So done all of you. Okay, so this on the angles values you have to remember. There is another property was there. It is a trigonometrical ratio. All of you can close the volume. Completed now.
Yes, sir.
Arun, completed or not? Before going to listen, look here, all of you listen. We said trigonometrical ratios are applied for which type of triangle? Right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. So if you take in triangle, what is the right angle triangle? What is the right angle triangle? One angle is 90 degrees. Other two angles are acute and complementary. So that means if this angle, if I take as theta, what will be this angle?
C minus theta.
90 minus theta. Complementary now. See, this is theta means this will be 90 minus theta. Are we followed or not? Okay. So what is sin theta here? In this figure. Opposite side upon
AB upon AC.
upon AC. Okay. What is cos theta here?
BC upon
BC upon AC. All of you listening or not?
Yes, sir.
And this one, Avnish is not listening. Are you listening, Avnish?
Yes, sir.
Sin, if you take what is sin 90 minus theta?
BC upon AC.
BC upon hypotenuse. BC upon AC. What is cos 90 minus theta? Adjacent side of 90 minus theta is what? AB upon AC. Yes or no? Still look here. Now you can see BC upon AC, BC upon AC. Equate what will you get here? The condition you are getting as sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Other one, if you are equating what will you get? Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Are you followed? See, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. This way, all the ratios I can make it into. Okay, the name, that is why do you know complementary? What is the complementary of 30?
60.
60. What is the complementary of 60? 30. What is the complementary of 45? 45. What What is the complementary of 0?
90.
9. What is the complementary of 90? 0. What is the weak complementary? Add to 90. Okay, so 1 means other one is 90 minus theta. What is sine 30? 1 by 2.
By 2.
What is cos 60?
1
1 by complementary. See, sine 90 minus theta, cos theta. Sine 90 minus 30, cos. Understood or not? Cos 30. Understood or not? Are you following? That is why complementary. What is sine 0? 0. Cos
0.
90 also is 0. Sine 90, 1. Cos 0, 1. Complementary is coming, 90 and 0. Because sine, complement of sine. Even name also. So what is the name of SIN? Sine. What is the name of cos? Cosine. That is a complementary. Tangent. What is the complementary? Cotangent. You will see the same relation. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cosec, sec, secant and cosecant. They are the complementary. You don't have these properties. You don't need to learn this one now. That is a coming higher years study. Okay. Now here what we need, this one means we are going to important property we are going to study. You see in this triangle is Pythagoras theorem. You know how to apply?
Yes, sir.
Okay, by Pythagoras theorem, what will you get here?
AC square.
AB plus BC.
Abhi aadmi hai.
AB square plus BC
So
square.
what will you get here? AB square plus
Plus
B
BC square.
square is equal to AC square. Have you followed this one? Okay, that is Pythagoras theorem. I'm going to divide throughout by AC square. If you're dividing AC square, what will you get? LHS will come as AB square upon AC square. BC square upon AC square, which is equal to AC square by AC square is 1. Yes or no? All of you followed?
Yes, sir.
Now look at the figure and see what is AB upon AC. Sine theta. What is BC upon AC? Cos theta. Means their square is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the first identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Learned all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, identity for. Susmit, learning or not? How the identity has come also followed. What the identity comes? Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From here, you are going to get two more forms. If I shift this one, if I shift this cos square, sine square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. To that extent now. Again, cos square theta is equal to how much you'll get? 1 minus sine square theta. This is interchangeable. These are all the three used as identity. So what is the first identity study? Sine square plus 9, sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Or sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Or cos square theta is equal to how it is getting also followed, all of you? Okay. Now, next is after this one. Suppose if I am going to divide this by BC square. So what will you get? AB square upon BC square plus 1 is equal to what will you get here? AC square upon BC square. Now check what is AB by BC. Tan theta. Yes or no? That is tan square theta plus 1 is equal to what is AC by BC? Cos. Stand up there. You come to do all these things for half the time, drinking water, looking here and there. When I write all these things, you know, but by then, after writing, you will be the first person to tell all these things. All dramas I don't need to see. Sit down. So you are getting us AC by BC is how much? 6 theta. Therefore, the second identity is coming as 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Sec tan square theta. Learned all of you? What is the second identity? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Means you divided by this one. From here, you are going to get the two more forms. I can write tan square theta is equal to what will you get? Sec square theta minus 1. Or sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to how much you get? 1. Okay. So this is again, this is interchanging only writing. If you shift over here, you shift over. If you know this one, all both of them. If you know this one, all both. So all you have to remember, because you are going to apply this one. Learn, all of you. Third one. Now we divided, first you divide by AC, then we divide by BC, now we divide by AB square. So what will you get? 1 plus BC square upon AB square is equal to what will you get? AC square upon AB square. Check what did you get? 1 plus, what is BC? BC by this one, AB. BC by AB is what? Cosec, BC by cot square. Theta is equal to AC upon AB cosec square theta. This is the third one. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Or cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus. Or cosec cot square theta, be careful, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to what? You cannot interchange, if you are interchanging it will come -1. Recall, this you can write sin square theta plus cos square theta or cos square theta plus sin square theta. Whereas over here, you cannot write interchange, then the sign will change. Okay, these are the trigonometrical identities. These are also known as square identities. Okay, it means it is only for squares only. And if you follow this identity, triangle is not required. Learn all. Then what? When any studies are going up, drink water. Look here, there, all these action drama only going on. Who has learned all? If you three learn means all of you can remember. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Then you can immediately take that yourself. Right, we are taking trigonometrical identities. Trigonometrical identities. Trigonometrical identities. All the 3 sets, all the 9. Trigonometry, all of you know the spelling Trigono. Trigonometrical identities. Without mistake, write down sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then sin square theta. Sin square, look properly and write, is it minus is given? Right now. Right, all the all. First one, second one, third one. Look at without mistake, write down. Look at the board and write. Don't make mistake. First you write, then after that learn. Some of you. Learn. Learn. And written. What is this? COT must be the team of the top. Written all of you. Okay, look in your book, all of you. First, let's check once again. You're not correct or not. Science. Tiwari. Look at the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. The meaning it's not required. You remember all? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Then tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Then cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Then next one. 1 is equal to or cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. That is, these are the identities. 9th thing. Both the sides you have to remember. If I ask what is sin square theta, immediately you have to tell what 1 minus cos square theta. Or if what is 1 minus sin square theta, you have to tell cos square theta. 1 can be written as 3 different ways. Which are 3 different ways? 1 is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. Or 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cos square theta. This way you have to remember. Remember another thing. This identity is only the relation between sin and cos. Tan and sec. Cot and cosec. These are the 3. Okay, sin and cos. Is there any identity relation between sin and tan? No. Sin and sec? No. Sin and cosec? There is a relation with their reciprocal. Okay, otherwise identity is not there. Tan and which one? Sec. Cot and cosec. And we have to be careful because plus minus lot of places are involved. Okay, 1 minus is there, something minus 1 is there, so you have to. Yes, okay now. Written all of you? All of you. Okay, learned? Yes, all of you learned. Was learned. Vaira says learned. Stand up. What is tan square theta? Very good. Sit down. Who else? Done. Hello. Oh, hero. Stand up. Did you learn anything?
Yes, sir.
Then why are you looking there? Okay, tell what did you learn? Also, tell. Then.
Sin square.
Huh?
Sir, this
Tell.
sin square theta plus cos square theta is
Cosec square theta.
cos
That also you cannot tell properly.
theta sin square
Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sit down. Done. What is cos square theta?
Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin.
What is tan square theta?
Tan square theta is equal to 6 square theta minus.
Sit down. All of you, boys, anyone? 2 girls are there. Boys are looking at girls sensitive. Power. Okay. Very good. What is cosec square theta?
cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cos.
Very good. Sit down. Which book? Other boy? Raju, did you learn? No. When are you going to learn? Tell now. Arun, did you learn? Why? Is it so difficult? Sir, did you learn? Stand up. No? Huh? Learn. Okay, stand up. Okay. Okay, what is cot square theta?
Cot square theta is equal to cosec square minus.
Cosec square theta minus 1. So it is not properly learned. Okay. Avinash learned. Avnish. Huh? Hello. Learn anything? Achisha. Usisha. The dance is over. And the Kazal, Nehru was the one that was thanked for you. Different. Not studying. She is not studying. You study. Then did you learn? Okay. Look here now. Done. Okay. Sec square theta.
theta equals cot times theta minus.
Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Be careful, the down. Learn. Standard. Cosec square theta. Now 1 minus 1 plus cot square theta. Let's get on now. Be careful. Okay. Alright. Oh, what is going on? ID and learn. Okay, good. So learn. Run my learn. No, listen all of you now. You have all of you to learn. Listen. We have studied now. What is the first identity studied? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, can you take its square root? What is the root of sin square theta? Sin theta. What is the cos square cos theta? Is equal to root of 1. 1. Can you write this way? You cannot write this way. Root means complete root. So you can have plus, you can take the root. So if you can take root of 3 square plus 4 square. Can you write root of 3 square 3 and this is 4. Can you write? Then this is 3 square plus 4 square is 5 square. Then you will get 3 plus 4 equal to 5. 3 plus 4 is 5 or not? No. So you cannot take that way. Understood? Okay now. So all of you cannot take the square root. Okay. Can see if you are squaring. What is square of sin square theta? Sin raised to 4 theta na plus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to 1 square, which is equal to 1. Hai? Yes or no? Oh, power. Yes. That also wrong. Squaring means you have to take whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So you cannot. This also is wrong. Are you followed? Only square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. No sin raised to 4 theta. No sin cube theta. No sin theta plus cos cube theta. Understood all of you? Remember this one. These all identities are called. These also known as square identities because it is only for squares. Understood all of you? Okay, you cannot. If you are squaring, suppose if they are squaring means whole square is equal to 1 square. Then if we are squaring, what do we get here? A square. What is the square of sin square theta? Sin raised to 4 theta. What is b cos raised to 4 theta? Plus 2ab means 2 sin square theta cos square theta. 1 square means 1. This is it. Are you followed or not? A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 sin square. I do not follow. Yes, yes or no follow. Finally tell. 2ab, a square plus 2ab plus b square, no? That plus 2ab at last also you can write, there is no problem. So be careful. So identities you learn properly. Okay. Now, we are going to study, as you know, the question will be prove the following identities, not these identities. These are called the standard identities. With the help of this one, the questions will be given. Simplify and prove LHS equal to RHS. For proving this one, you have to apply, use these properties and you have to do the questions and all. Okay. That means you will, how to prove the certain conditions is given us. Listen carefully. How to give means LHS will be given, simplify to get the RHS. Or RHS you take, simplify to take the LHS. Or LHS simplify, you will get an answer. It may not be equal to RHS, but you cannot simplify. Take RHS and simplify, you will get. Both the answers of LHS and RHS is same thing means then also LHS equal to RHS. Are you followed? This is for proving. Are you followed or not? You cannot take both the sides together and simplify. One of the side, okay, one of the side you will take and simplify. How to simplify means immediately check, can I apply any identities? If you can apply identities, you can do it. That is the part we are going to do. Before going to do this one means we have certain other part is there. You can express every ratio in terms of the one of the ratio. You can express every ratio in terms of sin theta. Means cos theta, I can write in terms of sin theta. Tan theta in terms of sin theta. cosec theta in terms of sin theta, sec theta in terms of sin theta, cot theta in terms of sin theta. Look here. I need to, first of all, everything I want to 5 ratios, all the 5 ratios I need to write in terms of sin theta. For that one, first is easiest one is cosec theta. Cosec theta can be written as what? 1 upon what? Sin theta. So first answer you got cosec theta in terms of sin theta. Next, the next one, we have the relation with identities there. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to how much? 1. Therefore, cos square theta is equal to what we get? 1 minus sin square theta. Therefore, taking the square root, what we get? Cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. See, cos theta in terms of sin theta. Are you followed? So, what happened?
We are not taking the square root of.
You cannot take square. How do you take the square root?
Also, cos square theta equals take the square.
Square root of the taken now cos. Understood or not? This square is becomes a cos. This you cannot take the square root. Minus is there between now. So this is the second one. We have to find out 3 more. Immediately, if you know cos means you can write tan. Reciprocal sec theta is what? 1 upon cos theta. What is the value of cos theta? This one. Therefore, sec theta is equal to 1 upon under root of 1 minus sin square theta. This is the third one. So, return sec theta in terms of sin theta. So, 3 you got. Now, what is left out? Tan theta and cot theta. We have a relation tan theta is same as what? Sin theta upon cos theta. We have this, we need in terms of sin theta now. So we have the value sin theta upon cos theta's value is how much you got? Under root of 1 minus sin square. Therefore tan theta. This is the fourth one. Are you followed? Now you get the last one. Cot theta can be written as what? Reciprocal. What is it? Under root of 1 minus sin square theta upon sin theta. See, every ratio in terms of sin. Okay, this is the way. You will not get all the things. Maybe they ask, write sec theta in terms of sin theta or sec theta in terms of cosec theta, like that question. Okay, see, method is clear. This is expressing. This is the what we have done right now. This is what we have done. Is expressing every ratio in terms of sin theta. Write this one and write. Express every trigonometrical ratio in terms of sin theta. Right answer. Express every trigonometrical ratio in terms of sin theta. This is the one. Write down now. Did you write? Express every trigonometrical trigonometrical ratio in terms of sin theta. First is cosec theta, 1 upon sin theta. Second one I wrote as for cos theta. For that one, steps also I written. Right process. everything written, center of the wall, the 5-year-old. Okay, this way everything you can write. Clear all of you?
Sir, will they directly ask to find value for the sentence of five?
They will not ask all the 5.
So we will not need to do it.
You can directly, 1 mark means okay. Directly you can write, but you check how did you
If it
get.
is not an MCQ, then not.
Huh?
If it is not MCQ, then not.
Give MCQ means 1 mark.
Sir, if it
Two.
is not MCQ.
Then you have to show the step. How did you get? How did you get this one? So cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. How you find out cos theta and substitute?